Welcome to the Digital Drip Podcast,
an audio companion to our IT newsletter, where we share bite-sized instructional technology, tips, tools, and insights.
So grab your coffee
or your tea and listen up as we dive into this week's newsletter.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Drip. It's been a busy start to the year. Today we're recapping our major highlights from January and February to make sure you've got the best tools in your instructional pocket. Let's get to it. First up, our Innovators Corner. This is the space that showcases innovators just like you. Throughout January and February, we've been focused on pushing the boundaries of classroom technology. And Josiah Ellerby, who helped us connect UDL and technology for looking at student differences, and Sloan Joseph, who outlined practical tips designed to remove learning barriers and improve accessibility for students. We know you love Canva, so we decided the last 3 weeks to master it by peeling back the layers on this tool. In week 1, we hit the biggest essentials by getting you logged into Pro Educator accounts, and the real game changer, assigning work directly to your students right inside the platform. Week 2 was all about presentations. We ditched the static slides and honed in on using the interactive features to creative conversations. Rounding up in week 3, we tackled the big one, student access. That's right, we're going to celebrate the joy of collaboration. Speaking of accessibility, we spent time highlighting the tools that ensure our digital drip reaches everyone. Here are the key tools that we have featured. Read and Write. Read and Write brought us an immersive reader, bringing text-to-speech and translation directly into your documents. What about Alt Text? A simple but vital step to describe images for screen readers. Color contrast checkers, making sure that your designs are readable for visual needs, and then live captions and transcripts. That's it for this month's recap. You can find the full deep dive on every one of these topics at app.smore.com/u/instructional.technology9. Keep dripping, keep innovating, and we'll see you in March.
We are officially past the halfway mark in our Canvas series. From mastering teacher and student workflows to collaborating on an infinite whiteboard, we love seeing how you're leveling up your design game. This week, we are diving into one of the most exciting tools in the toolkit, Canva websites. Gone are the days when web design required complex coding. Canva makes it so easy for both you and your students to turn a simple design into a live, professional-looking site with just a few clicks. Think about the possibilities. You have digital portfolios for your student growth, interactive classroom hubs for your resources, or even dynamic project showcases. Canva websites does it all, trust me. You'll find step-by-step instructions in this week's newsletter to help you and your students become web designers in minutes. Happy designing!
This week, we're using St. Patrick's Day as more than a theme. We're using it as a teaching moment. In grades K through 2, let students design a leprechaun trap. Then use Adobe Express to snap a photo and record themselves explaining how it works. The real learning is in their explanation. Technology just helps us capture it. In grades 3 through 5, explore probability. Collect class data and build a quick bar graph in Canva. Students see their numbers come to life and write a short reflection about what the data shows. In middle school, try fact or folklore. Students research Irish history, evaluate resources, and create a one-page Canva infographic. It's not about decoration. It's about synthesis and credibility. And in high school, use Canva Live to ask, is success about luck, opportunity, or systems? Let students respond anonymously, display the results, and build discussion from there. Every voice enters the room before anyone speaks. That's the goal this week. Simple tools, clear purpose, real thinking. The shamrocks are optional. The learning is not. Thanks for listening. Remember, we are steeped in support.
That's a wrap on this week's newsletter. Thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with us.
Until next time,
Stay curious, stay tech forward, and keep creating.